This is a flat rear tire. I got a flat tire in about 80 or 90 kilometers per hour. Don't know why, because I can't see any obvious reason. Now the rim is damaged, so I have to put this to the scrap heap. And the bike looks like this. This is ruined. We have the floorboard leg shield here. It's all ruined, unfortunately. This is bad. My new nice mirror. The other side here, I think it's just the indicator. That's what I've seen so far. The front fender was bad from the start, so that doesn't matter. Because this went into the ditch. Here that the leg shield and the floorboard here is dented all the way here and worn out because it was scraping against the asphalt. Then I have to think about what I'm going to do with this. I could either change the whole panel here, which means a lot of work, because I think saving this will not be fun. And it will cost a lot of money to do it also, so I have to take a decision what I'm going to do with this, if I'm going to run it like a rat bike or whatever. I don't know yet. I think I'm just going to take some water and wash it off and see how bad the damages are. So now that I cleaned it up, it's actually not that bad as far as I can see. Obviously the indicator, that's not a big deal. As I said, the front fender, I have a new one. I got scratches all over this right hand side panel. And this is of course all dented. And then there is this. But what I figure I'm going to do is that I'm going to stick with this ugly color, and I will paint my new fender, front fender. I will get a new side panel, paint this, then I'll stick with this color. I will fix this up as good as I can, fix all the rust, and that will have to do for now, and maybe I fix this with a paint later on. And since I'm going to rebuild the engine and everything, I will pick this apart now. I won't ride anymore this year, so that I can make sure when I get everything apart that there's nothing else damaged that I can't see right now. You can see here it's broken also. So that's it for this season. But I need your help, guys. Since I'm going to paint some of the parts, I need a color code for this. And I don't know which one it is. I think I found two different ones that seems to be quite alike, but I don't know which one this. So if you know the color code for this PX200 1993, please leave a comment so I know what I'm going to tell the paint shop.